How does the child use some of their spare cash to make an investment? From the dashboard, go to the child's card and select the Invest button. The adult will need to make an investment account for the child. Click on Create Investment Account and give it a description. Let's say the purpose of this investing is to save for a computer. Click Add Investment Account. Currently, the valuation of that investment account is 0 because there are no investments in it. Let's click on Valuation. This brings us to the Play Investment environment, where children have the option of purchasing a high, medium, or low risk investment, or a combination of the three. They can look at this graph down below to see the performance of these three investment options over the last year. And as you can see, the high risk red line has done very well over the last year, at one point exceeding a 3 times return, but having a very volatile ride to get to that 3 times return. Alternatively, we have the low risk investment, which has had highs and lows, but not nearly to the same extreme as the red line. And then the medium risk investment, which is represented by this green line. For those interested, this green line is actually just tracking the U.S. stock market as measured by the S&P 500. And the red and blue lines are doing the same thing, except the red line. In the red line, the returns are amplified, and the blue line, the low risk investment, the returns are muted. So after reviewing the performance and deciding what kind of investment the child would like to make, they can go to the top here and select the Purchase Investment button. Choose the risk level that they'd like to take on, and then an amount. Let's say $2 worth, and select Purchase. Now we can see that investment has been recorded. And likewise, if we go to the dashboard and look at the cash account, we can see that $2 for the investment has been deducted from the cash account. If we go back to the investment environment, we can see the record shows investment was made today. It was a moderate risk investment. Original investment amount was $2. The current value is still $2. However, this will change day to day. To sell an investment is very simple. Simply select the Sell button. Brings you to this form. They can sell the entire position or a fraction of it by selecting and changing the percent of position to sell field. Let's say she wants to sell half of it, 50%. Click the Sell Investment button, and now we can see that half of that investment has now been sold off. Again, if we go to the dashboard and click on Cash, we can see that her cash account has gone up by $1 related to the selling of that moderate risk investment. Note that there's a risk here to the adults. Like the cash account and the credit account, the investment accounts are not connected to any external source of funds. If the child's investment performance does very well, then those returns are coming from your pocket. So keep that in mind before setting up an investment account for the child.